So in the previous video, we learned about modules, and we said that modules often contain functions that can be used to perform different tasks. And today I want us to take a first introductory approach to functions. And just like let's begin at defining what a function is. So in Python, function is similar to in mathematics what you call functions. I know that sounds remote, but it consists of a name and one or more arguments contained using or inside a parenthesis, and it produces some output. So you give it an input and it produces an output. Sometimes there are functions that doesn't require any kind of input. So I want us to look at some of the functions that are contained in NumPy. And the way you import libraries in Python, you use the word import, just as I say. And in this case, we are using a library called NumPy. So I will say import NumPy. And as we said, Python is case sensitive, so the letters has to be exactly like that. And the first function that I want us to look at is, let's say you want to calculate the square root of a number in Python. So this is the name of the library, and then within the name of the library, there's a function called square root that you can use to calculate the square root of a number. So this square root is first of all specify the name numpy dot square root, and it's written as sqrt, just like in your Excel. And let's start with the number that we know, 64. The square root, the output should be 8, and you can see our output is 8. Let's try another example. We can use a simple one like log of a number. So log is simply log, just like that. And let's say log 100. The answer is 4.6. We can also do log. So sometimes when I do log base 10 of, let's take an example of 10 that we know of, should be 1. You can see it gives us 1. And so there's other functions like numpy. We can even use the turn of a number. So let's use 45. It's 1.6. So the answer here that you're getting is usually in radians. So if you want to convert radians to degrees, you use the function numpy degrees. So if you had a radian of 1.45 or 1. Let's say 61, okay, I can just copy this, copy this and make it convert that to degrees. Let's see what our answer is. It gives us 92, which is kind of not what we expected. And we can also find the inverse of trigonometric ratios. So let's say numpy dot arc cos 1.234, just a random number. And I think I might have spelled it wrong, or it has to do with my kernel. Let's use other examples that are more direct. Let's use sine, numpy dot sine 56, and you can see that's the answer. So the bottom line is you have got a module called numpy. Within numpy there is a function called square root, and it only takes one input. This input is normally known as argument, and then it returns an output, in this case the answer that you're looking for. Same to log. Log is a function within numpy. Same to log base 10. So pretty much this is how Python works. If you want to use a function within a library, you first of all import the function using the name import. And sometimes you don't want to write the full name every time you are using it, so you can say import numpy as np, so that instead of writing numpy, you just write np dot square root of 64, and it makes it super easy for you. So that is the end of our tutorial for today. Feel free to like the video, subscribe to get new notifications, and share